Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about data validation, that how you can use data validation. It is not a formula, it's a feature. So this is my list, okay, and this is my area where I have to apply the data validation, okay. So I will go to data. From here it's the option of data validation. From here I will select the list, and from here I will make the range of my list, and I will make it okay. So here you can see that here is the list 1 2 3 4, okay. So I can select any value from here, and I can if I want to apply this data validation on these following highlighted cells, I will make it copy, select the range, right click here, go to paste special, okay. So here will be the option data this validation, and from here I will okay. And now you can see the data validation has been copied on this cell as well, okay. And if I want to remove this data validation, I will just select these cells, go to data validation, okay. From here clear, make it okay, and the data validation will be gone. So this is the way by which you can use data validation, because this is our series for the beginners. So I'm talking about the very basic things. If you want to learn more about data validation, you can check out my advanced playlist on MS Excel 2013. So this is all for this tutorial, and one more thing, that you have to subscribe my channel www.youtube.com/c/my etutorial. So thank you so much.